See, we climbed up those rocks over there.
Over there.
And there's my nander
Like
poo.
the drop and the waterfall.
And down there is a free falling drop. There's no fence. We're just kind of sitting here. See, there's Amanda's foot. Hey, sit down. You scare me up there.
But
What? All right. Move your foot.
oh, sorry.
There's Andrew. He's taking photographs. There's a cave up there somewhere. Ooh, over here. Nice Gigantor waterfall. And that is the drop. Those are the little people down there. Oh, they were down there. Ooh, they left. They said, who are those crazy people up there? This is the lot there. Yeah. There's my baby. Queen of the world. Yay! You think you could climb down? Oh, without falling down. Oh.
Stay there.
Stay there. Photogenic opportunity. Yay! Andy's on the hill here. Woo, rock, waterfall. Oh, he thinks he's sexy. Oh no! Ooh, oh, oh, oh!
Somebody tried to make coffee.
Ew! That is foam from that thing.
No, Amanda let me get
Hi, baby. I love you. I'm sweaty. Yep.